according to a new Florida State University.
I'm not drunk.
Dude, whatever. I mean, you knew we needed to get this film today, and you showed up drunk. Like, if there was more time, or if I could find someone else, I would, but Cameron, let's just get this shit filmed.
Okay, everybody. Hello, and welcome to Vegan Kitchen with Guy Fettuccine. We're gonna start with the Guy Marinara. Want to put on your apron first? Just okay. So now we're gonna put our apron on. Put our apron on. Put our apron on. All right, got our apron on. All right, so today we're gonna make a vegan stir fry. Very simple ingredients. You want your cornstarch and pure maple syrup, and yeah, we'll learn as we go along. Yeah, high school just wasn't for me. So now I'm just gonna go get these other ingredients from the fridge. All right. Okay. See if I can get all these in one go. There we go. All right, so let's just get down to business on my favorite part, draining the tofu. So let's just go into it. Just gonna take it, just give it a rip, and you're just gonna wanna. Oh wow! All right, so let's start out here with some organic tofu. Just gonna wanna give it a stab, and just let that drain out. You know, I really love tofu. I have it every day. Oh yeah. All right. Let me just get that. And if you spill any, be sure to just get down right away and just give it a sweeper. All right. Now let's really get down to business. So got our tofu drained here. Love that juice. So now that we have stabbed our tofu, we just want to give it a rip open and just place that tofu on a towel and get it out there. It's gonna be moist. It's gonna be slimy. Oh yeah. Good hearty tofu. And a plate. And finally, find one of your favorite books. This is one of mine, The Joy of Cooking. So now that our tofu is drying, I thought it'd be such a perfect time for cocktail hours. So let's just go in and let's just go cocktail. I love my job. Hello, I'm Guy Marinara.
Are you pig?
Just give me 1 second.
No!
I don't get paid enough for this. I don't get paid enough for all this shit that I have to go through. Where's the joy? There's no more joy left in cooking. And you. Yeah, that's right. I said you little gay boy. How do you like that, huh? Huh? What was that? What was that? What was that? The boom mic's on me, not on you, sucker. All right, let's get back to cooking.
Family pizza night. The big game. Or date night.
So now you can access